In this video, I'll show you how to create system restore point in Windows. So if you're trying out new softwares or tweaking out settings on your PC, Windows Restore Point can be a lifesaver. If anything goes wrong, it allows you to create a copy of the system at state so that you can restore to the last working known condition of your PC. But this doesn't include personal files. It's very easy to create a restore point. What you want to do is come to the search section on your PC and then search for create restore point. You see the Windows Restore Point here. Go ahead and click on it. And it will bring you here. Now, once here, you're going to see your available drives. So if you have multiple drives on your PC, you'll see them listed here. But what we are looking for is the local disk system. Now, if protection isn't turned on, you want to click on the disk and then you want to click on configure in this section. Now here you're going to see turn on system protection. You want to check on this. So basically by enabling system protection, you can do undesired changes by reverting your computer to a previous point in time. So you want to make sure protection is turned on if it is disabled. Now once you have protection turned on, in this section where it says current usage, you want to leave it by default. You can adjust the maximum disk space used for system protection, but the default is also fine. Now once done, you want to click on apply. And then you want to click on OK in this section. Now the next step is to create a restore point. Now to create a restore point, you want to click on create in this section. And then you want to give your restore point a name. And this is very important for identification so that if you have multiple restore points, you'll be able to identify which restore point you want to get back to. So you can go ahead and give it any name you want. You can also add dates if you prefer to use dates. So once you're done, click on create in this section. And this will start creating your restore points. I'll give it a little bit of time to finish this. Once your restore point has been created, you see the restore point was created successfully. You can go ahead and close this. Now, if you want to use your restore point, I'm going to show you two ways you can do this. And the first method I'm going to show you is accessing the restore point while you can log in into your Windows PC. So if you're able to log into your Windows PC, and then you want to access your restore point, maybe you've made changes and then you do not like the changes that was made, you want to revert back to your old settings. You want to come here again and search for create restore point. Click on create restore point in this section. And then once this is open, what you want to do is come to system restore, click on this. And then click on next in this section. Now you see the restore point which you have created. Click on the restore point you want to use and then click on next. Click on finish in this section and then click on yes. And this is going to restart your PC and immediately start restoring your device. You can't log in into your PC to do the recovery. What you want to do is force your PC to start 3 times. What you want to do here is long press on the power button until your PC turns off. When it turns off, you want to go ahead and press the power button again to turn it on. As soon as your PC turns on, you want to see the loading icon first for Windows. This loading icon, then you want to go ahead and long press again to turn it off. So you need to do this for about 3 times, turn it on, turn it off for it to go to automatically repair mode. So I'm going to go ahead and do the other 2. Now the 3rd time you do this, you see that it's showing preparing automatic repair. On this page, what you want to do is come here and click on advanced option. Under advanced option, you want to come here and click on troubleshoot. Here you want to click on advanced options again. You see system restore. Click on system restore. And then here you want to come and click on next. You see all your saved restore options in this section here. So this was the one which we created. You want to go ahead and click on it and then click on next to restore your system. So that's how to create and use system restore on your Windows PC. If you do find this video helpful, it will not cost you anything to like, subscribe, and have the post notification turned on.